Have you ever had one of this and then suddenly it struck you it isn't a normal everyday mount even though it's cheap? Well, stick around because that's what we'll be talking about today. Hi YouTube, welcome back here. And for those who are returning to this channel, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs and today we're going to see the unboxing, but specifically how to mount a U-type universal wall hanging bracket. These usually comes with SIRAGON or Hisense TVs, but well, doesn't matter. We're going to see how to mount it. I remember the first time I got my TV, I was told it came along with a gift, and you know, everybody loves gifts. This is a simple and budget mount. It securely holds your TV in place, no doubt about that. It's a very basic wall mount that fits TV ranging in size from 32 to 43 inches, and it's certified to hold a maximum weight of 50 kilograms. Before mounting, the package comes with the following: 2 U-type universal wall hanging bracket or wall mount. You can see the direction of placement. 2 plastic wall hanging stand for the back of your TV. Another 2 plastic wall hanging stand for the back of your TV. These ones are going to be used below. 2 M4 by 25 millimeter screws, 2 M4 by 25 millimeter self-tapping screws, a pair of M4 by 40 millimeter screws, and finally 8 M6 by 50 millimeter screws. Before you get started on your TV mount installation, here are a few things you should have on hand or you should consider. First one is don't ever mount your TV to drywall if you don't want a TV disaster. Make sure you're mounting to a stud for maximum support or to a solid wall. Almost everything needed should come in the mount box except maybe a power drill, which you need to make the holes on the wall, a screwdriver to mount the TV with, and possibly it doesn't even come with a wrench, and you are not going to need one either. Last thing you might probably need is a friend to maybe help hold your TV steady and line up brackets. If you have everything you need already, great. Let's get started on mounting your TV on the wall. So basically this is how it works. These 2 plastic holders are going to go to the top back of your TV. Then you use this M4 by 25 millimeter screws, or the other one, depends on your TV, to fix the plastic holder to the back of the TV. These other 2 plastic wall hanging stand are also going to go to the back of your TV, but you place them at the bottom side. Then you use these 2 M4 by 25 millimeter screws to fix the plastic stand. The 50 millimeter screws will be used to fix the iron brackets to the wall. And at the end, what's going to happen is that since this white plastic stand will be at the upper part at the back of the TV, what it basically does is secure the TV like this. The job of the 40 millimeter screws is either to fasten the brackets from the sides. Let's just say it blocks the white plastic stand from rolling up and probably getting unhinged. You can either place the screws here at the sides or at the top. It's going to depend on which is easier for you. Now that we have everything in place, we proceed and remove the TV support, the base assembly. For what we're going to do now, we're going to need a star screwdriver, the 2 plastic holders, and 2 25mm screws. We then go ahead and fix the plastic holder to the back of the TV. We're also going to place the 2 plastic wall hanging stand. These go to the bottom back of your TV. Use the other 25mm screws. The back of our TV is all set. Now, you need to measure the distance left and right between the wall holder. Make sure that before installing the wall rack, you should check the back of your TV to see if there are any screws in the bolt holes. If there are any, they should be removed. Then you decide where you want to position the TV. Viewing angles are often important for achieving the best picture quality, so consider your location carefully. Moving the TV after everything is set is not only extra work, but it also leaves useless holes in your wall. Mark and drill your pilot holes. You can either hold the mount up to the wall, use a level to make sure it's straight. You can also use a pencil to make light marks where you need to drill the holes to attach it to the wall. If your wall is made of bricks and cement, no problem. You can mark it with a pencil. To attach the mounting bracket to the wall, first you're going to need an electric drill to drill the holes into the wall. Then you hold your mount to the wall and screw in the 8 50mm screws into the pilot holes. Final step is to mount your TV to the wall. Get a friend, as this can be tricky to do alone. And that's it. Kick back, relax, and enjoy living the high life with a wall-mounted TV. Just a couple of things to conclude this video about this mount. 1. It's sturdy, designed to hold a TV size from 32 to 48 inches. It comes at an affordable price, and in my case, it was a gift. And to install it isn't that complicated. You can mount without any help. And finally, it's very portable. But also, there are a few downsides to it. First, you have to drill lots of holes. That's 4 holes per each bracket, 8 in total. Second, it doesn't tilt. And the last one is that there isn't much space at the back. I hope we've been able to give out enough information about the U-type universal wall hanging bracket and how to mount it. If you have any comments, leave them below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for your support, and as always, catch you guys in the next one.